Hey YouTube, you're in tuned with Willibeatit, and let's get on with this YouTube tutorial. Today, it's how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on any Android device. All you need is an adapter and your PlayStation 4 controller and the cord. Step 1. Download Octopus. Octopus is a program on the Google Play Store for most Android devices. All you need to do is download it. Sometimes you gotta go to Google and type in APK, and you can find it then. Once you have it downloaded, you open it. You can see my one device is up top as a Sony computer entertainment device. I have my controller plugged right into my device. I'm currently using a Samsung Tab S4, and it is on a DeX pad. Okay, now the DeX pad, if you look it up, it has two USB ports, an HDMI port, and it has fast charging. Now, I use this setup because I stream Arena of Valor. So when I stream, I need to go to HDMI so I can get a better quality stream. Let's get right to it. Launch Arena of Valor through Octopus. It's going to tell you, can I draw over this app? You click yes. It launches, you wait for it to launch. So you can see at the top there that there's a little blue blob. When you click the blue blob, you can see that there's all of my buttons that I've already key mapped, right? You essentially, what you do is you press that little plus sign, right? And you add in keys. So for your 3 spells, you're going to want to put your smart cast keys. Same with your flicker, right? And the rest of the keys are just single key buttons. So you just want to use a single key press button, right? If I go to a casual match here, and I go over to the training camp and practice mode, I can go and click on Slims, for example, because he uses skill shots. And I can verse Kulin. I can show you guys that this is 100% working, and this is the best way that I have currently found a way to use on most games on Android, honestly. I'm just going to show you Arena of Valor because this is the game that I play the most. So you got my thumbstick that's working right now, going in a circle. Got my skill shots with my right analog stick. You got everything. You got your attacks with... I have my attacks set up so I auto attack with circle. I attack minions with square, and I got triangle as my towers. Press R2 for sprint. I can restore myself with X. It's a great time. This is personally the best way that I have found to play Arena of Valor. I was able to climb Diamond no problem on mobile and Nintendo Switch last season after playing for just over a month now. Well, about 2 months now, I'd say. But I used to play League of Legends a lot, so I caught on to this game very fast. But yeah, this is my tutorial on how to key map your controller. Essentially, I have my right stick set up so I can actually look at the map too, right? And yeah, what I did was I went over here and I set my joystick to camera movement, and I just stick it onto the screen. Yeah, if you guys, if this helped you out, please subscribe to my YouTube, follow my Twitch, I don't know, do whatever. Thank you guys very much, and hope everyone has an awesome time. Happy New Year, everyone.